Welcome to Connor 98 Discovery Channel. Today, we will explore an exciting and surprising journey about a familiar vegetable in every meal, carrots. Did you know that carrots are a nutritious vegetable that brings many health benefits? Containing lots of beta-carotene, carrots help improve vision and protect the eyes. The fiber in carrots aids digestion and weight control, while vitamin C and other antioxidants help strengthen the immune system and reduce the risk of cancer. Carrots are also good for the heart, helping to reduce cholesterol levels and regulate blood pressure. In addition, carrots provide minerals such as calcium and vitamin K, which help maintain bone and dental health. In particular, carrots are an important source of folate for pregnant women, supporting fetal development. Let's explore with me from growing crops to how carrots are brought to supermarket shelves. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other interesting videos. To grow carrots, farmers must prepare many steps. First, they need to plow the land, making it about 12 to 14 inches deep to ensure the soil drains well. Loamy and sandy soils are ideal for growing carrots because they help the roots grow easily. The top carrot-producing states are California, Washington, and Texas. California produces more than 85% of all carrots grown in the United States. States depend on crop and consumer temperature climate zones to start their growing seasons. In addition, manure and microbial organic fertilizer are also added to improve soil quality. Avoid applying too much nitrogen fertilizer, as this can make the carrots bitter or of poor quality. After preparing the land, the seeding machine started working. Let's take a look inside one of the seed boxes. As you can see these carrots, the seeds are very small. Small carrot seeds are due to the natural characteristics of the carrot plant. Small seeds make it easier for plants to spread and germinate. Carrot seeds will be sown at speed about 1 million seeds per acre. If farmers supply carrots to a processing market, the planting density will increase to about 1.3 million seeds per acre. Carrot seeds usually take 7 to 21 days to germinate. After germination, the seedlings will grow for 2 to 3 weeks before having their first true leaves. During this time, farmers will regularly water and control pests, maintain a good quality crop. Most carrot varieties take 65 to 75 days from sowing to harvest. Modern technology is changing the way we produce and harvest agricultural products, helping farmers save time and effort while ensuring the best product quality. The giant harvesters here can harvest from 110,000 to 195,000 pounds of carrots per hour, equivalent to the work of 280 migrant workers. According to 2023 data, the United States has about 69.7 acres of farmland used to grow carrots, produces 3.4 billion pounds, about 87% of U.S. carrot production. In addition to California, states such as Texas, Washington, and Michigan also participate in carrot production, accounting for 11% of the total national production. After harvest, hundreds of millions of pounds of carrots are transported to factories to be processed into various products. In California, 75% of carrots are consumed fresh at farmers markets and supermarkets. Now let's see how carrots are processed after being harvested before they appear in supermarkets. First, the carrots are washed to remove soil, sand, and impurities, using clean water and an automatic scrubbing system. Next, carrots are selected and classified, removing damaged or substandard ones to ensure product quality. Then, carrots are packaged and stored in packaging such as plastic bags, boxes, or vacuum packaging, keeping the product fresh longer and ensuring hygiene. Finally, fresh carrot products are transported to retailers, supermarkets, or distribution points to reach consumers. This process ensures that the carrots always maintain their quality and freshness. Carrots can not only be eaten raw or cooked, but can also be processed into delicious juice and nutritional supplements. Let's see the process of producing carrot juice. So we have explored the journey of carrots from the field to the table. Carrots are not only a familiar vegetable, but also contain many interesting uses and stories. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, where we discover the most interesting things about modern agriculture. Today I have something very special to introduce to you. That is the process of growing peanuts in the US, using the most modern technology. You will be surprised with what I am about to share. If you love videos about agriculture and technology, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button so you don't miss the next videos. We will get to the first step, preparing the soil. This is not a simple job. Giant tractors will perform the task of plowing the soil, making the soil more loose, making it easier for plant roots to grow. Have you ever imagined that a tractor can plow a large area of land in just a few hours? Soil with enough nutrients and the right pH is vital for peanuts to grow strongly. Peanuts love soil with a pH ranging from slightly acidic to neutral. Soil pH should be at 5.5, 6.5. Don't forget to spread fertilizer so that when planted, the seedlings will grow quickly. And this is the moment where all the preparation will make a difference. Plant the seed. These modern seeders not only sow seeds accurately, but also ensure the distance between plants is wide enough so they can grow without competing with each other for nutrients. Imagine, every seed is a potential a promising future. To a depth of about 1 to 1.5 inches, the seeds are buried, just enough to protect them from the elements, but still enough for them to germinate. And then, we have to make sure that the soil is watered regularly. In 2023, the United States saw an increase in peanut acreage with 1,547 million acres planted. Georgia, the top peanut-producing state, contributed significantly with 740,000 acres. This increase is mainly due to favorable peanut prices and reduced competition from other crops such as cotton. Don't take watering lightly, guys. Without just a little water, peanut plants will not be able to grow properly. About 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week is ideal to maintain the moisture needed for seeds to germinate and grow. The peanut plant is now absorbing all the nutrients and water to grow. This is an important stage, when young roots are starting to penetrate deeply into the soil and green leaves are starting to bloom. But it doesn't stop there. Peanut plants need careful care to grow healthily. Did you know? Farmers must always be on duty and ready to spray herbicides to eliminate unwanted invaders. After about 120 to 150 days of diligent care, harvest time has come. Do you see? The peanuts are still firmly attached to the tree roots. These special harvesters gently lift them up and turn them upside down to dry naturally in the sun. One of the best moments in this growing process. This process not only helps the peanuts dry out, but also prevents mold growth and preserves their quality. It's truly an art combining nature and technology, right? Once the peanuts are dry, they are put into a combine harvester to separate the nuts from the vines. These machines are truly superstars in this process. They not only separate but also clean the peanuts, removing soil, rocks, and everything else unnecessary. Not only that, the grading system also ensures that only the best quality peanuts are chosen to continue their journey. This process is important because it affects the final quality of the products we use every day. In 2023, the United States will produce about 6.25 billion pounds of peanuts, ranked third in the world after China and India. Peanut harvest usually takes about 6 to 8 weeks. Harvesting usually starts in September and can last until November. Are you impressed with these harvesting machines? Please leave your thoughts below in the comments section. After harvest, the peanuts will be poured into container trucks for transportation to the processing plant. And here we come to one of the most fascinating stages, processing. Here the peanuts will be thoroughly cleaned, the skin removed, and then blanched to easily remove the outer red skin. This blanching process not only makes peanuts easier to process, but also retains their flavor and nutritional value. And finally, these peanuts will be pureed into delicious peanut butter that everyone loves. So we have gone through a journey together from land to table. Hopefully, after watching this video, you will better understand the work behind the peanuts we often use. Thank you for watching until here, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to continue accompanying me on the next adventures.